It's Frank with Blackstone Group Leasing and Management. We're here at 575 North Main Street, Unit 203, Fall River, Massachusetts. It's a second floor studio apartment for rent. Start our video tour right when you walk in. Newly renovated throughout. Beautiful flooring. Extra storage space here. To my left, the bathroom. Brand new vanity. Shower tub. Refrigerator right here. Kitchenette, electric stove, sink, cabinet space. See your entrance there. Back door does lead to a small private porch. Got big windows for plenty of natural light. Flooring here. Plenty of room for a queen set. Also a table or couch. Big closet here in the corner. I'd like to schedule a viewing on 575 North Main Street at 203, Fall River, Massachusetts. Click that show mojo link at the bottom of the screen. Pick the time that best suits you. Or if you'd like to beat the rush and apply now, click apply now and fill out the application. It's Frank with Blackstone Group Leasing and Management. Thank you and have a great day.